Juno enters Aquarius today, shifting relationships into a new frequency. Clearer, freer, more authentic, and aligned with your future self. Hey there, this is Jojo from 7th Plane Healings and AstroJo.com with your Astrosonics, where we go on a cosmic sound journey together. And in this episode, we are exploring Juno. And Juno is an asteroid, and Juno is entering Aquarius on the 29th of March at 6:50 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. And we'll be looking at Juno entering Aquarius, along with its conjunctions to Pluto, its sextiles to Neptune, Saturn, and the Sun, and its trines to Uranus. And we'll look at how these frequencies are shaping your field right now. But before we begin, just a quick note. If you love working with planetary frequencies, I've been creating personalized tuning fork alignments and frequency imprinted pendants that many of you have been asking about. So you'll find the links below in the description, or visit 7th Plane Healings or AstroJo.com. And in this episode, you shall discover how Juno in Aquarius shifts the collective relationship template. And how these aspects influence commitment, connection, and relational clarity. And then we'll drop into a planetary tuning fork sound bath, which is designed to harmonize you with Juno in Aquarius's frequency. So settle in. This one is clarifying, liberating, and it's deeply future orientated. And here is the astro breakdown. We've got Juno represents commitment, devotion, and the agreements we make with others, romantic, creative, spiritual, and collaborative. And so when Juno enters Aquarius, the energy becomes freer, clearer, more authentic, and it's more aligned with sovereignty. So this is relational archetype of I choose you because it's true, not because it's expected. And let's look at Juno in a conjunction with Pluto and how that sounds. This is powerful. Pluto intensifies everything it touches. Truth, desire, shadow, transformation, old relational patterns. They may surface so that they can be released. New, deeper, more empowered bonds can form. And this is a soul contract energy. And Juno sextile Neptune. Compassion rises, intuition deepens, and there's a spiritual or energetic dimension to your connections. And you may feel guided towards people who resonate with your soul frequency. Juno sextile Saturn. Commitment becomes grounded and real. Healthy boundaries strengthen and long-term clarity emerges. So this is the stabilizing force that supports the Aquarian freedom. And let's now hear Juno sextiling the Sun. This is your identity and your relationships align. You feel more confident expressing your needs, desires, and truth. So this is relational coherence. And Juno in a trine with Uranus. We've got breakthroughs, liberation, unexpected shifts, new relational pathways are opening. So this is the frequency of authentic connection, the kind that feels like fresh air. And overall, Juno in Aquarius invites you to redefine commitments in a way that honors freedom, truth, and energetic alignment. So let's align with these frequencies. I invite you to join me on this sacred sound journey, allowing your mind and your body to attune to these cosmic frequencies. Just take a deep breath in and release. Take another deep breath. And just letting go, bringing your awareness to your heart and softening into deep relaxation as you bathe in the frequencies of the spheres. And our affirmation is, I choose relationships that honor freedom, truth, and alignment. I choose relationships that honor freedom, truth, and alignment. So just take a moment to integrate these planetary energies, feeling balance and harmony within. If you'd like your own personal planetary tuning fork sound alignment, which is specific to your natal chart, your transiting aspects to your chart, or your solar return chart, perhaps you want a special birthday gift, someone's solar return sound bath, the soundtrack to their upcoming year until their next birthday, check out astrologer.com and for more information, or reach out to me. And if you'd like to know more about my Attune Coherence pendant, it's a bifilar coil, copper, Nikola Tesla style, cut to the length of a sacred cubit, imprinted with beneficial frequencies, and it's designed to hold a stable, coherent field that travels with you. So check out seventhplanehealings.com if you'd like to know more about that, or reach out to me. And thanks again for joining me on this cosmic sound adventure. Please like, share, subscribe if you haven't already. And you can also find me on Spotify if you prefer to listen that way. And let's tune into the universe together.